What is an allergy? Our body's immune system, it protects us from certain infections and a lot of antigenic substances. But sometimes this body's immune system, it recognizes these foreign substances as threatful or dangerous, and then they overreact and they try to protect our body, which we call as allergy. Now, what are the types of allergies? The most common is the allergic rhinoconjunctivitis. That is the allergies of the nose and the eyes, where the patient will have runny nose, sneezing, itching of the eyes and the throat. Some children will have a lot of dry skin, rashes, as well as itching of the skin, which we call as the atopic dermatitis. Some patients will have sudden swelling of the lips, the eyes, the cheek, or the oral cavity or the tongue. We call this as angioedema. Now, the another allergy which is rising in India is the food allergy. The food allergy is most common to wheat, the eggs, milk, cow's milk especially, tree nuts, peanuts, etc. Allergies are due to genetic causes. The gene environmental interaction, pollution plays a very important role. Common allergens are house dust mites, tree and the grass pollens, the fungi or the molds which we call it, animal danders like cat and dog, as well as insects like cockroaches. So now, how do you avoid these allergies? These allergies are more common in monsoons because of humidity as well as damp environment in the house. Try to use a dehumidifier if you are living in a damp or a humid place. Air purifiers can be helpful to some extent. Always wear a mask whenever you go outside the house. If there are cats and dogs in the house, please wash them or bathe them regularly, at least twice a week. Always keep the doors and the windows closed if you are allergic to pollens. Try to avoid active and passive smoking, especially in front of the children. Home cooked food should only be given to them. Processed food contains a lot of preservatives as well as additives. If you are allergic to cockroaches, pest control should be done in your house. Now, if these allergies, if they are diagnosed at an early stage, they can definitely be treated.